Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube buffering issue on your iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or Android and you're having any buffering issue on your YouTube, that your YouTube video is buffering, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular. It means if you're using cellular, so you have to enable Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, you have to try to enable your cellular and turn off your Wi-Fi. So after that, you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have done, you just have to go back, open settings, and here it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you just have to go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to go back and here go for software update. Sometimes it might be that you have any pending software available, or if your iPhone is downloading any pending software update, so it might be that that your network will be slow and you're having the issue. Or if you haven't any pending software update and you're still having the issues, you just have to open your app store, and the very first thing you have to search for YouTube, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for here for your YouTube app. If you have any pending update, try to update your YouTube. Then go for settings again, go for general again, go for iPhone storage, and this time you have to look for the YouTube app here. Once you got the YouTube, you have to try to offload your YouTube app. Select that tab on the offload app. Once you have uploaded your app, you'll find the option of reinstall. You have to tap on that and your app will be started reinstalling. So it might be that there will be any bug into your YouTube app, so it will fix in this step. And after that, you can try to make a force restart your phone. It might help you fix your issue. So you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until your screen goes fully black. So let's try this step. You just have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once here you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, you just have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarts, you have to check to your app store and then look for a YouTube app again. This might be that your YouTube app should be paused to reinstall into reinstallation. So you have to continue that reinstallation. So up on your app store here, go for search and you have to search for YouTube app. Once you find YouTube, you have to tap on the get option here and your YouTube app will be reinstalled on your phone. And once the reinstallation process completed, you will not any get issue of this types after again. So you have to double check your internet connection again. So that's how you can easily fix your issue that your YouTube app buffering on your iPhone or your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.